Hey everyone, TJ here. Listen, have you ever been on a mobile device, your phone, a tablet, iPad, whatever, and you've gone to a website and then you realize that some of the options on that site don't exist? Could be any kind of site, and you go in and some of these, usually there's menus or something that you might be used to seeing from your desktop computer or laptop, but they don't exist on the site from your phone or your tablet. And that's because that website is streamlined and it knows that it's a mobile device, and therefore they streamline the site when they program it, and they make it so that all the options may not be there, so it'll load quick and work more smoothly on your mobile device. What if the opposite was true and you were on your desktop or your laptop computer and you needed to see the mobile version of a site? That's right, it does happen. And in this particular case, I'm talking about Instagram. When I'm on Instagram on my laptop and I'm editing photographs, let's say in Photoshop, or I'm editing a video in Adobe Premiere or DaVinci Resolve or something, and I want to upload that to my Instagram page, I don't want to have to share that file to a web resource, to OneDrive or to Dropbox or something, to then move that file to my Instagram that way and go in a big circle to get there. So there is a way right on your screen working on your laptop to see the mobile version, which will allow you to do that. So we're going to jump in here and show you in just a minute. So I have this photo here that I want to load to my Instagram, and I'm working on a laptop. This is a Windows PC, and I'm in Chrome. So I'm going to jump over here, and I'm in my Instagram, and when I scroll down here, you're going to notice there's no plus option, and there's nowhere here to actually make my post. So what I need to do is request the mobile version. We're going to use the inspector part of Google Chrome. And so anywhere in the web page here, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go down here where it says inspect, and that's going to bring up another window. And then this is basically all the code and everything of how this page is put together. The piece we're looking for in particular is this little icon here that shows what looks like a little mobile device and then a larger icon in the back. So we're going to click that. And now we basically just toggle to show a mobile view, but we still don't see a plus sign here. So we now are going to refresh this page. So up in the top left, right to the, in my case, directly to the left of where the URL is, I'm going to do the reload this page, and it takes just a moment to reload. So now as it refreshed, you notice we now have a smaller window here, and you'll notice here's the icon that you're used to seeing if you were on your mobile device, so this little plus sign. So now, just as if I was on my phone or my tablet, I can click on the plus sign, and I can go track down my photo that I was using. In this case, this is it right here, moving head, 6-second exposure, click open. There's my photo. I'm gonna click next. And here I can write my caption. There we go. And let's share that, and off it goes. And then if I go back on my mobile device and check, this would then be a post to my Instagram. Simple as that. I can close this window over here on the right, and the next time I come back into Instagram and I reload the page, it's gonna be back to how it normally would be. So again, right click, inspect, and then you click on this little icon right there, and that gets you to your mobile version. It takes about 5 seconds to do that. There's other options where you can install extensions into your browser, but it's really not worth going through all doing that because those extensions can actually slow down your machine. Please like and share and subscribe below, and I'll talk to you soon.